Welcome to the next video. Now, over here, we would be focusing on the GPT-3 models. Okay, so GPT-3 model of the OpenAI is a natural language processing model, and it has four submodels which we would be focusing on. One is your DaVinci, then is your Curie, then is your Babbage, and then is the Ada. Now, DaVinci is the most up to date, we can say, model. Okay, and it is capable of that basically is the powerful than other GPT-3 chatbots. So although the other models like Curie, Babbage, or Ada may perform some tasks better with higher quality, DaVinci can perform any task that they can do. Therefore, DaVinci is only model that you will need to use, as it can do everything the other models can do it. Although the DaVinci is the most advanced and versatile GPT-3 model, OpenAI still provides access to other models, which is Curie, Babbage, Ada, for various reasons. One reason is that DaVinci is relatively more expensive, but overall the cost of using these AI models is still very affordable. Another reason is that the request size that DaVinci can be is much more higher, which means you can provide longer prompts and receive a longer or even more complex responses. We will discuss the tokens later, but especially a request size of, let's say, for 2049 tokens is what is the maximum possible with DaVinci. Now, using DaVinci is the best option for most tasks due to its high capability and up to date status. However, there are still reasons to use the other GPT-3 models, such as the cost or specific task requirements. Okay. Now, for example, Curie is useful, some for sentiment analysis, we can say. We can also say that it can be used for language translation, complex classification. Now, complex classification can refer to the models that classify some input into different categories. Similarly, Babbage is another model which can be used for simplifier task, and it is the cheapest option which is available. Okay. Now, as we had seen that the GPT-3 has four submodels. Okay, we have also seen their own strength and weaknesses. So we'll be focusing on the DaVinci, which is the most capable and up-to-date model, and it can do any task that the other models can do, but it is most expensive as it has a higher. Now, similarly, we can say it is similar request size. Now, to just summarize, this DaVinci is the most powerful model which is available. Okay, and if you're not an AI researcher, okay, and you want to get started with GPT-3, it's recommended that you use this model. You can also scale up and want to lower the cost, you can consider using Query or Babbage or Adapt, which may provide some similar results at some lower cost. Okay, so we'll be focusing using on this DaVinci model in this particular entire course. So that's it from this particular video on the different types of GPT-3 models which are available. So now in the next video, we'll see another options. We'll proceed with, understanding about the GPT-3 models, about their advantages and disadvantages in detail. And then we'll proceed next with the environment setup. So stay tuned for my next video. Till then, goodbye.